Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of social class. I am your teacher Kavita here to present a new concept from geography lesson. Today we are with a new lesson from geography part, that is unit 10, population of Karnataka state. In today's session we are going to learn on these main topics. Those are meaning of population, size of population, growth of population, density of population, rural and urban population, sex ratio, age structure and literacy rate. These are the topics we are going to learn in today's session. Let's start our class with the meaning of population. What is the meaning of population? So, the meaning of population is a group of people living in a particular geographical area is called population. Group of people, not 1, 2, 3, or more than 100 or more than 1000. Uncountable peoples are living in particular geographical area is called population. So, this is about the meaning of population. Next move on, next topic, size of population. According to 2011 census in the sense ಜನಗಣತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 10 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಜನಗಣತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು 2011 census, Karnataka state population is 6,11,30,704 with 9th position. Karnataka state, according to 2011 census, Karnataka state population is 6,11,30,704 with the 9th position in India. Already we know Karnataka state geographical area. What is there? 1,91,791 square kilometer with the 8th position its area in India. According to 2011 census, Karnataka state population is, census in the sense 10 ವರ್ಷಗೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜನಗಣತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The total population of Karnataka state is 6,11,30,704 with the 9th position. Of this, male population and female population, what is there? Male population is 3,10,57,742. 3,10,57,742. This is male population of Karnataka state according to 2011 census. Again, female population is 3,72,662. This is female population of Karnataka state according to 2011 census. Even population of Karnataka state is not equal distributed all over Karnataka state, because some districts have highest population, some districts have least population according to geographical area. So, among them, Bangalore urban district has the largest population in Karnataka state, whereas Kodagu district has the least population in Karnataka state. Even population of Karnataka is also not equal distributed all over Karnataka state, because distribution of population, because geographical conditions is effect on distribution of population. So that Bangalore urban district has the largest population in Karnataka, and whereas Kodagu district has least population in Karnataka state. So this is about size of population. Next move on, another topic, that is growth of population. So as I told now, Karnataka state gets 9th position in the field of population in Karnataka state. From 2001 to 2011, how much population has increased in Karnataka state? Let us discuss about the growth of population. According to 2001 census, Karnataka state population was 5 crore 28 lakh 50,562 according to 2001 census. So at present, according to 2011 census, Karnataka state population is 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. It means 2001 to 2011, the total population has increased 80 lakh 80,142. So from 2001 to 2011, the total population has increased in Karnataka state 80 lakh 80,142. From 2001 to 2011, total number of people has increased in Karnataka state. So this is about the growth of population. And next move on another topic, density of population. Then what is the meaning of density? Density in Kannada, Janasandrate anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The meaning of density is the number of people living in an area of 1 square kilometer is called density of population. The number of people living in an area of 1 square kilometer. 1 square kilometer ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಸಾಂದ್ರತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. According to 2001 census, Karnataka state density was 275. According to 2001 census, Karnataka state density was 275. According to 2011 census, Karnataka state density is 319. It means density of population of Karnataka state has increased. So 2001 census it was 275. 2011 census now at present 319. Again once I am repeating here the meaning of density of population. The number of people living in an area 1 square kilometer is called density of population. Even density of population is also not equally distributed all over Karnataka state. So among them, Bangalore urban district gets first position in density. It means Bangalore urban district has the largest density of population according to 2011 census. So total density 4,378 in Bangalore. After Bangalore, Dharwad, Bangalore rural, Kolar and other district. Whereas Kodagu district has the least density of population in Karnataka. The total density of population in Kodagu only 135, only 135 according to 2011 census. So this is about the density of population. Next move on another topic, that is rural and urban population. Basically India is called the land of villages. Even Karnataka has number of village. So the total number of villages of Karnataka state 29,406. According to 2011 census, the total rural population of Karnataka state is 3.75 crore. In percentage, we can say 61.4%. So 61.4% of population we can see in the rural area. And according to 2011 census, urban population is 2.35 crore. 2.35 crore. In percent we can say percentage 38.6%. Even Karnataka state population it is not same all over the state in a rural area, in urban area. So in urban population number of population we can see in urban area because of most of the peoples migrated from village to urban because of job and education and others. So that the number of population we can see in the urban area. So even urban population is not the same all over the state. Among them, Bangalore urban district has the highest urban population in Karnataka, and whereas Kodagu district has the least urban population in Karnataka state. So this is about rural and urban population. And next to move on another topic, that is sex ratio. What is the meaning of sex ratio? So the meaning of sex ratio is the number of females per 1000 males are called sex ratio. The number of females per 1000 ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂತಿಷ್ಟು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ per 1000 males are called sex ratio. According to 2001 census of Karnataka state, the sex ratio was 965. According to 2000 sex ratio of Karnataka state was 965. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio of Karnataka state is 968. Only three members has increased. According to 2011 census, 968 the total sex ratio of Karnataka state. According to 2001 census, it was 965. Even sex ratio is also not the same all over the state. So among them, Udupi district has the highest sex ratio in Karnataka state with 1093. It means in Udupi we can see female population highest there. The meaning of sex ratio is the number of female per 1000 males are called sex ratio. So highest sex ratio we can see in Udupi. Total is 1093. After Udupi, Kodagu district, next Dakshin Kannada, Hassan. Least sex ratio in Karnataka, that is Bangalore urban district. So Bangalore urban district has the least sex ratio in Karnataka. The total number of sex ratio in Bangalore urban, that is 908. So in Udupi we can see 1093. In Bangalore 908. So this is about sex ratio. Next move on another topic, that is age structure of population in Karnataka. So Karnataka has 6,11,30,704. This is the population of Karnataka state. In Karnataka, all the age group people are there, not only children not there, even all the age group from baby to up to above 60 age people are there in Karnataka state. According to 2011 census, according to age group, the population has divided here. Look at here, according to 2011 census, below 15 age it means children. The total percentage is 29.7%. This is about below 15 age group. The total percentage of below 15 age 29.7%. Next, above 60, it means aged person. How much percentage there in Karnataka? 5.5. 5.5 the total percentage of old age people. Then between above 15 and 60 age, below 60. How much percentage is there? It means working population. 64.9 percentage is their working population. Below 15, only 29.7 percentage. Above 60, it means old age persons, 5.5 percentage is there. And working population, it means above 15, below 60. Total percentage of working population is 64.9 percentage. So this is about age structure of Karnataka state. And next move on, this is the last topic from this lesson, that is literacy rate. What is the meaning of literacy rate? So in Karnataka is only uneducated people are there? No, even educated people also there. Then what is the meaning of literacy rate? The meaning of literacy rate is a person who knows to read and write. Who knows to read and write. For them we call a literacy person. A person who knows to read and write is called literacy rate. ಯಾವ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಓದುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಷರಸ್ಥ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. So this is about the meaning of literacy rate. According to 2011 census, the literacy rate of Karnataka state is 75.6 percentage is there. How much percentage is there? 75.6 percentage is there. Even literacy rate in Karnataka is not the same all over the Karnataka state. Among them, Dakshina Kannada district gets first position in Karnataka with 88.6 percentage. Which district? Dakshina Kannada. After Dakshina Kannada, Bangalore urban district gets second position with 88.5 percentage. And third position Udupi, and whereas Adhigiri district gets last position in the literacy rate with 52.4 percentage. Dakshina Kannada gets first position in literacy rate, second Bangalore, third Udupi. The first three districts, top 1, top 2, top 3, and whereas Adhigiri district gets the last position in literacy rate with 52.4 percentage. Even literacy rate is not the same all of the Karnataka state in male and female. Even all the male is not educated, all the female is not educated. Among them, male literacy rate in Karnataka state 82.9 percentage. According to 2011 census, male literacy rate is 82.9 percentage, whereas female literacy rate 68.2 percentage is there. So this is about literacy rate. By this topic today we completed new lesson from geography part, that is population of Karnataka state. So till then keep watching video. Thank you and have a great day.